Okay, so guys, me are from Onuimo, they go Abia, you understand? So I made this video like I think 2 weeks ago, but I no post them. You get? And that 2 weeks ago, be like say now on a Monday. Then if you check around, you go see say men no dey for ground, they walk. You understand? So I can say okay, as road just clear like this, we be say heavy duty machines them no come dey do work. So come I just make this video like this, my come post and my show na say okay, see as e be where men no dey work, see as everywhere clear. You understand? I mean you also see okay, see the extent as at 2 weeks ago when I been run this video. But actually, I still run video like this Saturday we just pass, and I go see post that one. Make see okay, men don't they approach, men don't they draw work come close. You know understand? So if my first time like this way they tune into my channel, you welcome. Oh man, relax, chill out. As they watch this video like this, if you like just help me click the like button. You understand? Not just say go click like button. No, if you still want me to see videos like this, update on waiting the sub for the time inside. You understand? Still click the notification bell above. So that whenever me I drop video like this, oh man, you go just get notification, bam, you understand? You go be among first people who go watch the video. So as it be now, as you town boy what be, you know get. If they give me joy, say government come they walk, come they do road now. They know they do road now. Maybe be like one road construction go come they take like 2 years, 3 years. Things don't they you understand? Now road now sharp. They don't they run them sharp. They don't they finish them. No delay. You understand? So Onuimo na type of government wey we need though. We need government say they go dey do things for us. Cause how e be now, you know say youth town no really be like state capital. But the able government wey dey now, e don talk say e wan turn this youth town, wan turn am to another thing, make e sharp. You understand? So the development wey dey come small. More, I really like I really like wetin I dey see. So watch this video down to the end, make you see actually wetin really dey take place for this Onuimo to Abia road construction. Don't say before na 2 lane, I mean not even 1 lane. No, na 2 lane before. But now they expand them now. It will come be 4 lane dual carriage. You understand? We be say no go slow, accident self go reduce, that kind of thing. You understand? So now wetin make they do this road like this, make the road make it wide. You understand? So the car owner now they go Abia. Now go see wetin they don't achieve for that end. You understand? Close to that Abia. Now go see wetin they don't achieve for that end. This road there, me I sure say you no go take time again self. They go just do this road, it go nice. You understand? And so it be. So guys, just watch until the end. May you tell me what you think for comment section, sha.